the syllable is a very important unit. Most people seem to believe that even if they cannot define what a syllable is, they can count how many syllables there are in given word or sentence. If they are asked to do this often, tap their finger as they count, which illustrates the syllable important in the rhythm of speech as a matter of page. Uh, and if one tries the experiment of asking English speakers to count the syllables in, say, a recorder sentence, there is often a considerable amount of disagreement.
The example from syllable: sky, cat, book, bed, wood.
The example from syllable: big, bed, book, door.
Cluster. Cluster consonant can be divided into two groups. They occur at the beginning, they occur at the end of syllables of word. In English, there are 39 initial consonant cluster and 151 late consonant cluster. Initial consonant cluster complex. Initial consonants are found at the beginning of word. In English, there are many systems of consonant cluster. The number of votes for the initial consonant cluster is 3. That is to make in English there are not many words that use cluster consonant. If a cluster consonant to sound, the first consonant can be the sound S followed by the sound P, T, K, M, N, L, W, or F. Thus, the latter is very rare. Consonant cluster English: spy, speed, sport, stay, stop, storm, sky, skip, slow, sleep, sphere, small, smile, snow, snail, snake, swim, swing, sway, fall, fly, play, pride, proof, prize, pure, blue, bliss, land, break, wrong, right, beauty, train, true.
Let's learn about stress syllables. Do you know what stress means? That many of us know that every word in English have one syllable that is pronounced with a higher intonation than the other syllables in the word. There are two different ways of the stress syllables. One is to consider what the speaker does in producing stress syllables, is to consider what the characteristic of sound make the syllables seem to a listener to be stressed. Then the few word below is receive the stress syllables and coming the first, second, and third, and etc. Let's now we learn about the example of stress syllables.
B. Complex word stress. Word made from a basic word from which we will call the stream, with the addition of an affix and double E. Compound words. The affix itself receives the primary stress. Example: semi plus circle is semicircle. Ality plus person is personality. This is double E. The word is stressed as if the affix were not there. Example: pleasant, unpleasant. Market, marketing. This is triple E. The stress remains of the stem, not the affix, but is shifted to a different syllable. Example: magnet, magnetic. There are so many suffixes that it is only possible here to examine a small part of them. We will concentrate on common and productive suffixes, that is, they are applied to a large number of stems and can be applied more to create new ones. English word, it is recommended to study the combination stem plus affix. as an individual item. One of the problems we counter is that we find clear words complex, but when we try to divide it into root word plus affix, turns out to have a root that is difficult to imagine as an English word.
The following is an example of a stress that has three syllables: tomorrow, intention, and beautiful. Tomorrow has three syllables: tomorrow. Intention has three syllables: intention. Beautiful has three syllables: beauty and full.
What is intonation? No definition is completely satisfactory, but any attempt at a definition must recognize that the pitch of the voice plays the most important part. Only in very unusual situations do we speak with fixed, unvarying pitch, and when we speak normally, the pitch of our voice is constantly changing. If a speaker tries to talk while riding fast on a horse, his or her pitch will make a lot of sudden rises and falls as a result of the irregular movement.
Intonation in words, English words can consist of one more syllable. One single syllable, words that stand alone originally, read without stress. Example, chat is sheet. Chat is sheet. Blood is blood. Blood is blood. 2. Words consisting of one syllable are read in a discarding tone. Example, right is right. Right is right. Speak is speak. Speak is speak. 3. A word that is a question of affirmation if read in a raising tone. Example, who is who. Who is who. Thous is those. Thous is those. 4. Words that consist of two syllables with the sound stressed on the first syllable. Example, also is also. Also is also. Always is always. Always is always.
The pronunciation of tens of words also gets sound pressure on syllables. Example, 30, 40, and 50. Consisting of two syllables that get pressure on the second syllables. Example, success, refuse, and belong. The pronunciation of word numbers of a dozen is under pressure on the second syllable, except 12. Example, 11, 14, and 15.
Word consisting of three syllables that are stressed on second syllables. Example, together, relation, vacation, successful, and important. Word consisting of three syllables that are stressed on third syllables. Example, ultraviolet, undergo, understand, overcoat, and overeat.